I'll tell you. Greedy, I can't pass it. And everything to get low fasting. I don't care how much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no drill style, this ain't no last dance. Way past.
Hi girlfriends, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm thelaurynicole, and today I'll be sharing with you how to get this curly hair updo with a drawstring ponytail. If you're interested in today's video, let's keep watching.
First, you will need a drawstring ponytail. This is the one that I used. I have a closer shot of the ponytail for all my visual curl friends, and I got this from the beauty supply. Now, starting with my hair, I'm going to take my hair out of this bun and then part my hair down the middle, only a quarter of the way. Pro tip, don't be like me and have a crooked part because this isn't straight at all, but anyways. Then part down the sides of your hair, leaving you with two sections in the front and then one in the back. Using a rubber band, I'm going to tie off the back section just to keep it separated from the front parts. Use any gel of your choice. Today I'm using the olive oil eco gel, and we'll begin to apply the gel to the front two sections. Next, use a brush to smooth down these two sections. You want to make sure that there aren't any bumps in these two sections. After this, I will then tie these two sections in the back with an elastic, preferably an elastic that matches your hair color. I then go over with an edge brush and smooth any flyaways down, as I want this front section to be very sleek. Once I complete that, then I move into the back of my hair, and now you can grab your drawstring ponytail. You will need to remove it from its packaging and cut out any extra tags that may be on it. After that, I spray my curls with some water and then put my hair into a ponytail that sits in the middle of the back of my head. Depending on how long your drawstring ponytail is, you can possibly place the ponytail lower, but since my drawstring ponytail isn't extremely long, I will be doing it a little bit higher up. With my actual ponytail, I am going to begin to braid it up and then wrap it around into a bun. With the drawstring ponytail, there are combs which will help to keep the ponytail secure, as well as a drawstring for tightening. Now attach the ponytail to your bun that you've created, and once attached, twist the ponytail like shown. Grab a claw clip of your choice and secure it in place. I'm using one of my favorite claw clips from Cove Essentials. I absolutely love their claw clips, and they're perfect for all of my thick-curled curl friends. And now I'm done. This style is super cute and perfect for when you don't know what to do with your hair or if you're in a time crunch.
And that's the end of this week's video. I hope that you really enjoyed this tutorial, as it's super easy and quick to do. And if you have any suggestions or what kind of content you'd like to see on my page, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like today's video and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you guys next week.
Too much, I lust too much, I hit my clutch and room. Third day, pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all the violence, give me dysfunction. I like when you come, nigga, stay the whole night. Better when you hide, nigga, tell me I'm wrong. Just bypass can't